Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Judy, and in today's video I created a makeup look. I'm making a makeup tutorial for this look right here. So I didn't do a talk through tutorial because the last makeup tutorial I did where I created a look from the Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place, that was a talk through tutorial, and today's video will not be. I'm just trying to change it up and mix it up because I wanted to poll on Instagram and ask you guys whether you liked the talk through or the Instagram style tutorial where I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and it was basically 50-50, so I'm trying to mix it up. So anyway, with that being said, in today's video I'm creating a makeup look using the Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette. I just recently did a swatch video for this palette, and today I'm going to be utilizing like the greens in this palette, and maybe let me know in the comments if you'd like to see this, but maybe I'll do another look using the pinks and the purples, or maybe the oranges even. I don't know. Let me know what you want to see. There's a lot of looks that could be done from this palette, and I just basically scraped the surface with this green gold shimmery eye look right here, and I'm really super loving it. I'm not gonna lie and say it wasn't inspired by my top today, but I'm wearing green. Green is kind of my favorite color at the moment with all my houseplants, as you guys may know if you follow my plant YouTube channel. But yeah, anyway, I kind of like the way it turned out. It's come out to be quite a heavy makeup look, but I haven't worn makeup like this for a long time. So that being said, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, let's start creating this look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Really, truly appreciate your time today. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything special, anything in particular. I've noticed that the views on my YouTube channel are like way down, like way down. For a channel that has 4.1 thousand subscribers, the views are like abysmal and I don't know why. So maybe I just need to upload more videos, I don't know, but if you guys have any thoughts on that, let's have a conversation in the comments down below. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I shall catch you in next week's one. Thank you so much for being here, for spending your time here, for commenting. If you do comment, for giving the video a thumbs up, and for subscribing. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much. And also, shameless plug, if you do like houseplants, I have a plant YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave it linked up here and in the description box down below. It's called That Foliage Life. I have lipstick on my teeth. And that channel is growing, it's going really well. So if you like houseplants, I'll just let you know you can follow me on there as well. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.